About halfway through now, taking the chimney breast down. Oh yeah, about half to go. It's the right job, but we're getting there. Now, if you can see, there's two chimneys. One chimney on the left and that chimney. And that is the old chimney for this bedroom. And that is the old chimney for the kitchen, which, as I guess, is black with soot, because of course that would have run all the time, being a Victorian kitchen. Heated the water and everything. And then, here, that was all filled with rubble. And down here is all filled with rubble. Because, if you notice, they snake. The actual shape of the chimney snake. So they come down and go that way. So that corner there is all rubble, and that corner there is all rubble. Anyway, it's a bugger of a job, but we're getting there. It's just as well I supported the that beam because if you can see, it does just go to the wall. It doesn't go into the wall. So I definitely needed to support that. This one is supported, but only just by about half an inch. I don't know if you can see that. They've used an old beam by the look of it, and it's cut off at 45 degrees. So there's only about an inch of the beam sitting on the brick. So I've left the support there, and I'll firm that up, and obviously I'll put a support in there when I've got everything down. The only thing, yeah, well, we'll keep going. Yeah, should be a nice wide space when it's done, which is what it's all about. But yeah, it's a bugger of a job, I'll tell you that much. Absolute bugger. I mean, you know, the dirt is unbelievable. Hang on a minute, I'll see if I can show you my face. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, here's a mirror. Yeah, you can probably see in that, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I've just had a wash. Oh, there I am. Yeah, I've just had a wash, and you know, the dirt in that is unbelievable. Here's all my clothes. I've changed my clothes every day. Strip off straight away, all clothes straight in the wash, straight in the shower. Having a shower at the end of the day instead of the start of the day. But anyway, it's all going to plan, and the next few days should get the whole lot down. The main bit of the chimney down, and just finish off bits and supporting the beams and so on. But first thing is to finish off demolishing the chimney breast.